Today, February 24th, marks the fourth anniversary of the beginning of the active phase of the Ukrainian conflict. Over the past 4 years, the nature of the fighting has changed radically several times. Now, unlike in 2022, no one is launching a broad front offensive with the support of armored vehicles. Deep strikes by mechanized units, tank battles, and the dominance of armored vehicles on the battlefield are now a thing of the past. The Ukrainian conflict has become a crucible for new ways of conducting warfare, including a new type of weaponry, FPV drones. Currently, the vast majority of personnel and equipment losses can be attributed to this type of weapon. Drones have destroyed the old concepts of offense and defense. UAVs are the main reason the front line is relatively static at the moment. Neither side can deploy significant forces to the front line because they would be destroyed immediately. However, there is a way out, and it was the Russian army that was the first to start using new tactics of warfare. This tactic involves the covert infiltration of small assault groups of no more than 2 to 3 people into the enemy's rear to disrupt defenses from within. Thanks to this tactic, Seversk was captured, for example. The Ukrainians, however, are not far behind and are currently using this tactic in response in the battles for Kupiansk. This has seriously complicated the situation for the Russian army in the city. As a result of the counterattack, control over the district west of the central city hospital was restored. Elsewhere on the front, Russian troops are maintaining the strategic initiative. On the northern flank of the Slavyansk-Kramatorsk section of the front, the Russian army achieved a significant tactical victory. Advance units have moved south of Krivaya Luka toward Kalininki. Currently, an assault is underway on strongholds near the settlement. In the Dobrpole area, Russian troops have taken control of the Novidomba settlement. It is the last settlement before the district center. In the Pokrovsk area, the Russian army achieved a major tactical success in Grishina. On February 23rd, assault units took control of the center of the settlement. There are reports of Russian troops advancing west of Galiipol. In Zalinichin, troops crossed the railway tracks which had previously formed the front line. Several Ukrainian army fortified areas west of the village have been captured. If the current peace process fails, the parties will need to resolve the issue through military success once and for all. Dominance on the battlefield will most likely go to the first party to invent an inexpensive and effective means of combating drones.